So I am in Mexico right now, and I wanted to do a different YouTube video for this week. I had one planned already, but since I'm in Mexico, I wanted to do something a little bit different. And check out this view. It's amazing here. And I wanted to talk about the number one reason why you aren't seeing weight loss and what you can do about it. And this is what I've been hearing from potential clients and clients that I'm working with, why they aren't losing weight before we started working together. And the number one reason is because you're following these rigid plans. You're following a plan that you found on the internet, someone who had success with the plan, or following a plan from a book, or something that they hear about following maybe certain macronutrients numbers to follow for weight loss, but it doesn't work. Or maybe you lose weight and then you gain it back afterwards, and that's not successful weight loss, right? And the reason why you're not losing weight is because you're not connected with your body. You're just following these rigid rules that you could follow for maybe just a few months or for a few weeks, and you don't like it, and it's very restrictive, but you do it anyways because you want to see the results. But that's not lasting weight loss. And the reason why is because you're not connected with your body. You're not enjoying the process. You're not enjoying the food that you're eating. When you don't enjoy the process or the food that you're eating, you're not going to see the weight loss results, because you can't do something like that in the long run. It's not sustainable to do. Instead, the process can be expansive. It can include all the foods that you like. You can enjoy the process. You can enjoy all the foods, and the choices become unlimited. You can still enjoy the cake, the pasta, the bread, alcohol, and you don't need to restrict that for weight loss. That's such a misunderstanding about weight loss, that people have this conceived notion that they need to be so rigid about it. But when you change the mindset and the thinking and the plan to be an expansive process where you can lose weight with including all those things, and it's not a restrictive thinking or restrictive way of living, but it becomes an expansive way of living, that's when the mindset and the things shift so that you can lose weight and make it sustainable. So just wanted to share that with you guys today, and so I'll talk to you guys later.